Hey, what's up guys? This is really unplanned video, like quite a strange thing has just happened. So I got an offer at Upwork from the client that saw my videos on YouTube, believe it or not. So just a few minutes ago, I've opened my Upwork profile and here's what I've seen basically. That's an offer, which is, and basically this is the description. So this client wants me to just fine-tune the scrapers that I've already built on YouTube. So this is really interesting. So he regards the scrapers of Rightmove and Zoopla, and well, probably there would be a need to build one more. I'm not sure regarding this kind of site, if any. And basically the general kind of job description of what he's supposed to change in those scrapers that exist and so on. And also the hourly rate is pretty nice. Like I basically now I'm working for $15 per hour, and I just set this hourly rate just to avoid another clients torturing me just because I have my kind of full-time job at the moment. I didn't really want to get that much distracted, but like this sort of offer, it's not because the hourly rate and also the weekly hour limit, but like when somebody is kind of saw your videos and he likes your job and he just wants you to keep working on what you actually have been working your own self, like this is really so cool. And I believe this would give a kind of very interesting cooperation and stuff like that. So I've just accepted this order, and now can actually start tracking some time regarding this particular project here. So this is really nice. And let me just quickly show you the videos that probably kind of gave me that sort of job. So here is my playlist regarding one-time scrapers built with beautiful soup and request library. And here are the basically here. So here is the rightmost scraper, and so that's the big tutorial on 15 minutes basically. And also this Zoopla scraper as well here. And I don't really provide my Upwork link description, say in the description below the video, so he had to kind of do some sort of a job in order to find me basically. So the very least thing he had to do is actually probably to go to my website scrapingkunfu.herokuapp.com, and then okay, it's just sleep, and that's because it takes quite a bit of time to be loaded. And then probably he had to go to the context, I don't know, and only then he could have just find this Upwork kind of stuff here. So it's kind of job. And like for clients from Upwork who have many jobs posted and many hires, it's kind of a bit of strange stuff to consider basically. But like I'm really so, well, I'm happy, yeah, but not really because I'll be able to get to earn some money out of that project. Even more, I'm happy because this is the very first successful attempt of mine to actually start getting clients outside of Upwork. And guys, I just want to say that I was talking about this damn success score, success score that Upwork can manipulate however they want, and that's you as a freelancer, you really can't do much regarding that stuff. But probably what I'm supposed to say now is mostly addressed for one of my subscribers, whose name is Remote Control. So Remote Control, if you're hearing this message is just right for you. So, by the way, he's a Russian-speaking subscriber, which is pretty strange to my personal opinion as well. So Remote Control, you told me that actually there is if you're trying to apply to a job, well, I believe you were talking about Upwork. So there were already like from 10 to 15 offers from the guys who already have some portfolios and not empty profiles, but some feedbacks, some positive feedbacks like 5-star reviews, etc. And you told me in the commentaries in one of the videos that it's kind of that difficult to get a job because it's really hard to compete with those guys. Well, and I just want to say that, you know, like me personally, I've never applied to any job at Upwork. Like if the job is posted, like say you can hear like the find work tab here. So say some job here appears. So you just go in and just try to apply. I never do that because, you know, like, well, I tried a couple of times, but I always failed. Like I didn't get any interview invitation ever. And you know, like my strategy of gaining a job is actually to promote yourself as a developer, just to try to show your skills, not only programming skills, but also like talking skills, like pronunciation skills, soft skills, whatever you need when you're a freelancer. So, and that's kind of the very first result ever. You know, like for those of you guys who have been following this channel for quite a bit of time, you probably know that I was talking that I'm not happy with Upwork. I'm looking for some sort of an opportunities to kind of start trying to find clients outside Upwork or whatever freelancing platforms. And you know, like people say like it's impossible to get clients from YouTube, and my personal experience actually now tells us that that is actually possible. And I believe this might be a really good strategy for those of you guys who has no idea actually how to kickstart off with the job. So you can basically start making YouTube videos showing your skills, and you can actually, you know, like just promote yourselves, and then those clients actually can see those videos that you're making, and eventually they may end up contacting you and offering you a job. And you know, like the most surprising stuff was he didn't mail me, or he didn't just send me a message like, can you do that, could you please, like he just sent me an offer like, here is the money, you just take them and do the job, and that's it. Like I'm absolutely trust you, so it's not a problem. You know, like this is really so, I don't know, this is so confusing, but this is so cool on the other hand. So you know, guys, I think this is kind of some sort of a sign in my career at least, and from now on I'm really thinking about that. It's really good idea to keep doing some videos that actually implement in some real world project tasks. So like, you know, like if someone would see that he would probably want to have some of the same for his own business, and I believe that's a really nice and cool approach basically. So well, probably I would definitely, of course I would definitely finish my scrapey tutorials, so some basic skills, some basic stuff regarding selectors and item pipelines maybe, so some of the basic stuff. But still, you know, like I believe that from now on the further projects might be somewhat a real world projects that might have bring some interest, you know, like this is really kind of so cool. Okay guys, so I'm sorry for my emotions. I'm a little bit excited with this kind of stuff just happened. So well, I hope you understand my inner state regarding this stuff. So this is kind of it. Well, I really hope that this was actually interesting for you guys to listen to this kind of experience that I just get, and I really hope this example kind of motivates you to promote yourself as software developers outside some freelancing platforms. And you know, like we would probably talk about this in somewhat in other blog videos. Well, I just have to kind of gather my thoughts regarding this particular topic, because I mean this video is really unplanned, so I don't even know what to say now, but I just have some concepts in my head that I'd like to share with you. So until that time, well, probably I need to make some job at the moment, and then the following couple of days I would be probably busy, so there won't be much videos. But then on the weekend, I hope I'll be back with the new videos and maybe some blog videos as well describing this particular topic. So let's see you that time basically. So Until next videos, and take care.